So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to switch account on Amazon Prime Video on FireStick. So guys, if you want to switch account on the Amazon FireStick, so guys, it is very simple. So guys, first of all you can move down. Okay, and now I am in this section of the children. Okay, like you can see Tom and Jerry, Baby Boss. Okay, and I want to switch into the another section. Okay, so guys, you can just press, and here you can see the icon kids section. So guys, you can click. So I try to move my camera upward. So guys, here you can see kid section. Okay, and then you can click on the section kid. Here you can move on the who's watching the Prime Video. Here you can switch if you want to create a new one, so you can create from new one here. Otherwise you can switch your main account. So this is my main account where I am watching the movies and shows. And if you want to switch again, so you can again click on Bharat and you can click on your kids section. Now you are in the kids section. So guys, these are the simple steps for switching from one account to another account in the Amazon Prime. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. Maybe this video is very helpful for you.